Day 1 begins on a steep rocky mountain where a group of farmers prepares to grow potatoes.
Surface lacks sufficient soil for planting.
Manual force replaces machinery in this environment.
Breaking rock creates space for soil development.
Put that one right over there, next to the big pile. Great work, everyone. Keep it up.
Depth improves water retention potential.
Soil rebuilding is performed collectively. Soil fertility increases through mixing.
Make sure they are deep enough in the soil. And the spacing must be exact, like this. Each piece serves as a growth source.
Soil layer remains thin and fragile.
Okay, easy now. Bring it right here. Watch it, watch it. All right, set it down. We need to secure this edge before the next layer.
Maintenance prevents land degradation.
Structure increases land stability.
This load looks perfect for the new bed.
Yeah, the soil is gonna love this. We still need some more over there, though.
Water transport requires shared effort.
Temperature drops significantly at night. Daily temperature cycle affects growth.
Early growth begins across multiple locations.
Plants adapt to harsh surface conditions.
Looking good.
Yes, they are coming up nicely.
Perfect.
Growth becomes visible at scale.
Stability around roots is maintained.
Photosynthesis begins effectively. Flexibility reduces structural damage. Soil condition improves gradually. Growth continues despite terrain limitations. Transformation becomes noticeable. Retention improves due to trench system.
Structural growth increases resilience.
Fog adds natural humidity. Alignment follows natural contour of terrain.
Moisture supports plant health. Field structure stabilizes. Growth phase completes. Leaves indicate strong nutrient flow.
See how deep these secondary roots are going. That's exactly what we want. Agreed. The nitrogen uptake should be excellent here.
Potato growth occurs beneath surface. Harvest stage approaches. Final product becomes visible. Land remains harsh, despite success.
Crop quality reflects effective adaptation.
Post-harvest effort continues.
End of cycle highlights collective effort. Transformation remains localized, but significant.
Environment remains unchanged, but managed.
We made it! Look at this bounty.
Soil condition evolves through effort.
Natural forces continue shaping environment.
Collective persistence enables survival farming success.